This channel is kindly sponsored by KA.Models.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs.
Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. We've had a prezzie. Yes, it was my birthday on Wednesday, 15th of July. And the Foxx sent me a birthday prezzie, folks. So, without further ado, should we have a little looky-loo at what we got? Alright. Right, this is the Warhammer Orc ZZ wagon. Yes, folks. And yes, those of you of a musical background, the ZZ is relevant because when you see this car, you'll see that it's the ZZ top eliminator. See the ZZ down the side. And what they've done is they've orked it. So we'll get all the stuff out of the bags and you'll see what I mean. I just think this is so cool. What have we got there? A little token there. Charging token. In there. So yes, folks, this is the ZZ Top Eliminator vehicle. And they've decided to ork it up. And if you look at the characters, the ZZ Top beards. I mean, that's brilliant. So you've got Billy Gibbons, Dusty Hill, Frank Beard. Look at that. There they all are. Oh, I think that's so cool. All these little different orky bits, all the different characters there. You get to do all the figures. ZZ Top them up. I'll put a photo up, just up there. There you go. That's what the vehicle looks like. And then you got all the details on the front wheels here, all the resin wheels there with the spokes, the spikes, all the little plates on the wheels. Looks mint. And then you got both halves of the vehicle there. These will all be getting cut off because they're all the moulding nubs, but that will go together like so. Gives you an idea of what we got. Then obviously your big wheels there for the rears will go on. But look, all the detail on it. And all these little rivets and tyre treads and everything are immaculately cast. I'll make a base for it. I'll measure the length and I'll 3D print an oval base for it to go on. And we'll add a bit of terrain on it and all of that gubbins, because why not? And the detail is absolutely beautiful. All the checkers there cast in top of the roof there. You've got a little area there for Billy Gibbons to poke out, giving it all his loving. Ah, see what I did? Got a nice bit of grillage. All the orc symbology around the edges, beautifully cast. Boot lid, you got your windscreen surround there, again with all the detail. Absolutely going to be a beautiful model to build this, and it's from our good old pals over at Cromlech, folks. And you got all the different detailed parts here. Steering wheels, you got headlights. And yeah, it's going to be absolutely great to put this together. I'm quite looking forward to it, actually. All your numbered sprues. And again, with Cromlech, so you can go on their site and you can download the instructions on putting it together. But they're pretty straightforward to do. And all the different gubbins there. I just love the characters, the fact they've given them the beards. I thought that was absolutely brilliant. And of course, the Gnu's gone and done it again. He knows my taste. And he's gone and sourced this for us. And I honestly did not know this existed. Had I have known it existed, it would have been in the collection a while back, you know. But yeah, look at that. And again, I get to paint all the detail on all of this, and then the figures will go in at the end there. So yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. Little peg there in the seat just for his bump to go in, so he locates in the correct place. But again, all this detail that's moulded in there, you can just pick out with the airy stick and get that all correct, you know. And yeah, I think it's going to be great fun to sit and paint this. Absolutely stunning. So there you go. Look at that. That is the Foxx ZZ Eliminator wagon. And yeah, look at it. Absolutely gorgeous, folks. Stunning. Just looking at the detail in the interior, just on that door alone, all the metal plates. You got your glove box and stuff like that. All your seat. Oh, I'm really looking forward to doing this, I must admit. So yeah, keep an eye out for this, folks, because I'll get all these trees cut off and I'll get this put together. And we can start seeing how this is going to look, because, yeah, I'm going to thoroughly enjoy doing this. So big thanks to Foxx yet again for thinking of dear old Festa on his birthday. And yeah, there you go, folks. What a wonderful, wonderful gift. So thank you very much, Foxx. Don't forget, look out for the live streams me and Foxx do, the Friday Frolic, and the KA.Models stream and the Wednesday Warhammer stream. This will be on the Wednesday Warhammer show when I start painting it, folks. So that's where you'll see it getting painted. In the meantime, thanks for coming in and keeping me company. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one, folks. Till then, stay safe and well. Goodbye for now. Oh, look at it.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,